Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred two Kashmiri youth in Baramulla district of the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops killed the youth during a cordon and search operation in the Sangipura Supor area of the district on Friday. The massive cordon and search operation was launched by Indian forces on Thursday in the area. The operation was continued till last reports came in. Moreover, the Consulate General of India in Toronto has said that it is cancelling some of its scheduled consular camps after the Canadian security authorities conveyed their inability to provide minimum security protection to its organizers. According to Kashmir Media Service, the announcement comes days after protesters carried Khalistani flags at a consular event co-organized by the Hindu Sabha Temple in Brampton and the Indian Consulate. The Consulate Journal of India, in a post on X, said, in a view of the security agencies conveying their inability to provide minimum security protection to the community camp organizers, the consulate has decided to cancel some of the scheduled consular camps. On the 3rd of November, the protest occurred at the Hindu Sabha Temple in Brampton, and unverified videos circulating on social media appeared to show demonstrators holding banners in support of Khalistan. The relations between India and Canada came under severe strain following Prime Minister Justin Trudeau's remarks in September last year of a potential involvement of Indian agents in Khalistan extremist Hardeep Singh Nijjar's killing. Moreover, Chief Minister of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Umar Abdullah, has said that the resolution passed by the Legislative Assembly on the restoration of the special status of the erstwhile state has told the world what the people of Kashmir want. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly on Wednesday passed a resolution asking the Indian government to work on a constitutional mechanism for restoring the special status of the territory. Umar Abdullah, addressing a gathering in the Gandarbal area, said, "Your voice about special status was raised loud and clear through the resolution passed in the Assembly. It has told the world we want and what we have to set out to achieve." The National Conference promises made in the election manifesto were in process of being implemented. Meanwhile, President of the Congress chapter in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Tariq Hamid Kara, welcomed the resolution passed by Kashmir Assembly seeking the restoration of constitutional and democratic rights of the people of Kashmir. He also criticized certain recent actions in the Legislative Assembly, particularly the behavior of Bharatiya Janata Party members during a debate on Article 370. He condemned BJP members for standing on tables, describing it as a serious breach of parliamentary decorum. Such behavior is unacceptable and undermines the sanctity of the legislative institution. It does not represent the values that any democratic society upholds.